Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Women, boys, that know.
So as I was saying, we're gonna fill her up 1/3 of the way, transfer the plant, and then add the water. That's what it says. Usually I hear people say wet it first and then transfer the plant, but this is saying different. Okay. Where are... So I'm gonna use this just to scoop out the roots, because you don't want to disconnect the roots. And you want to keep it whole and intact. See how the roots are all there, looking healthy but nowhere to go. So let me bring my camera over here. Oh, I forgot the face. All right, let me just tilt it down. So here's my pot, and we're gonna put it in. I'm just gonna sit it sturdily in the middle. Make sure it's sitting comfortably, because I have disturbed it. And now I'm gonna fill around it. I'm gonna fill around it. Make sure I have enough dirt. Make sure your pot has the draining holes, even though this particular mixture is water conservative, which means it release the water as the plant needs water. You just want to make sure that it's sturdy. Now I have 5 of these that I'm gonna have to replant, but at the moment I only have 2. I only have 2 pots that's clean at the moment. So I'm gonna sit it in here so the extra water can drain. So you want to water it real good. Make sure it's nice and wet. And all the excess will run to the bottom. So it's not overwatered or underwatered. And you'll be good for a couple of days. Now I want to sit her in the sun. Let her get some sun so she can flourish and hopefully uncurl these leaves. And she got some space to grow, so We're gonna sit her on this plastic bag. As you can see, she's planted and ready to go. It's just that easy. So now, we're gonna do the peppers, but what you don't wanna do is throw these away. These are healthy reminders to know what type of plant there is. So I could just write spinach on this case right here. Plus I'm trying to get ready to learn all the leaves as I grow them. These are jalapeno peppers. And just like the other one, we're gonna scoop and scoop. This one is a little deeper. And what I'm gonna do is just squeeze. You don't want to pull. You don't want to mess the roots up. And you can save those containers to use your seeds as well. So, excuse me. You can see the roots on these. Looking gorgeous, gorgeous. All at the bottom. She got very long stem over the past week. So we're gonna sit that gingerly in the middle. Fill her up with some dirt. Alright. Make sure it's evenly all the way around. A little bit more dirt. There we go. And we're about to go on and water this plant. It's really good. Make sure you give it a nice deep. See, it sucked that whole bottle of water out and it's barely draining. Which means it could probably use a little bit more. So that's well watered now. So I'm gonna drain off the excess. And there you have it. I'm gonna sit these outside so they can get some sun in their new home. And in a couple of days, we'll come and see how they're doing in their new homes. They definitely should get bigger. I see some peppers growing on here, so that's good. So, that's what it is, guys. Indeed. We're gonna take them outside and let them get a little bit of sunshine, and I'll show you that in a second. So I'm gonna let them get direct sunlight for about, I guess the rest of the day. And tonight, or probably about 6, I'll bring them in. It'll get cold out, so I wanna gradually introduce them to the outside. I don't want to kill them, you know. But you can see there's some peppers growing, baby. There's definitely some peppers growing. So, thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for the next video when I plant another spinach, well, replant, and probably an onion. So, see you guys later.
Wondering will she be mine?